Okay, we got a new product today. It's called the Siligun, and what it does is it has these cutters. While you put your silicone in and while you use it, it cuts that silicone gun as it makes it shorter. Very good for spaces that you need a lot of space, so that you could use a silicone gun which has less silicone so that you can have more space to do tight corners. So we're going to use this today to put in some lights for my closet. So this silicone already maybe about more than a quarter done, maybe 3/8 done. We're gonna use that today for our Siligun. You gotta open up this and fit that in, and then as you fit this in and as you press, it should start feeding it through. You can see probably gonna get to a certain point right here where the silicone comes out and where it starts cutting this. Right there, it starts cutting that silicone, tube of silicone in half as it goes deeper and deeper. I think in regards where you can start cutting around and save space. So we're gonna do some silicone with this and show you how it works.